Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and appliances. Today, we're talking about the LG 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner with dual inverter, and it might just be the best portable AC unit you can get your hands on. If you're looking to keep your space cool and comfortable, especially during the hotter months, this could be the perfect solution. The LG LP1022FBSM is a high-performance portable air conditioner designed for medium to large rooms, providing a cooling capacity of 10,000 BTU SACC, which is equivalent to 14,000 BTU ASHRAE. This means it can efficiently cool up to 450 square feet, making it ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, or even home offices. One of the standout features of this unit is its dual inverter technology. This innovative system ensures faster cooling and quieter operation, so you don't have to deal with that typical loud hum of traditional air conditioners. In fact, this LG AC runs at a noise level as low as 44 decibels in sleep mode, so you can enjoy a peaceful night's rest without the distraction of noisy machinery. Installing the LG portable air conditioner is a breeze. It comes with an easy-to-use window installation kit that makes setup quick and hassle-free. Plus, with its compact dimensions, it fits easily into most spaces without taking up too much room. Another excellent feature of this AC unit is its Wi-Fi connectivity. Using the LG Think app, you can control the temperature and settings from your smartphone, whether you're at home or on the go. This makes it incredibly convenient to adjust the temperature before you get home, ensuring that your space is always comfortable when you walk through the door. In addition to its cooling capabilities, the LG LP1022FBSM also functions as a dehumidifier, which is perfect for those humid days when you need to dry out the air in your room. The unit is equipped with a washable air filter, which helps remove dust and allergens from the air, providing you with cleaner, fresher air. The energy efficiency of this unit is another major benefit. With its inverter technology, it uses up to 40% less power than traditional non-inverter models, which helps you save on electricity bills while keeping your room cool. Overall, the LG 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a fantastic choice for anyone who needs a reliable, energy-efficient cooling solution for their home. Whether you're working from home, lounging in your living room, or trying to sleep through a hot night, this unit will keep you comfortable. With its quiet operation, smart features, and powerful cooling capacity, it's hard to beat this portable air conditioner. That wraps up today's review of the LG 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner with dual inverter. If you're in the market for a portable AC unit, this might just be the best option for you. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.